Is an algorithm called convert sorted arrays to binary search tree. It is marked problem 108 on LeetCode. Easy. What the task given to us is we have this array is given where elements are sorted in ascending order. Convert it to a height balanced binary search tree. Okay. So if we are having a sorted array, means we have given the ENOT traversal of binary search tree. That is always a sorted array like. Now we are having this examples and this constraint means our length of array can go up to maximum this value, and its element at index will go up to maximum this. That this condition is given. Nums is strictly increasing order. Now we will move on to the solution part. Okay, so we have given this function sorted array to BST, where we have given this nums vector passed with this reference. Okay, so that changes will reflect. This is, we will return the root. So we have inside this sorted array function, we will return the root at the end. That function we have made here, helper. In first parameter passed as, we passed as our array and 0 starting index and ending index, which is the last index, size -1. Okay, now this is our main function inside which this function is called. That's why we have created this function above. Since we have this function called inside this function, that's why we have created this helper function just before this sorted array function, and we have made this function of same return type as that of this one and passed this nums array. This is common, and inside which we have passed the start and end. Now since this is a recursive function, so we wrote the base case initially. What our base case was, when our start is greater than end, means we will get the invalid range of array. Then we will return the null value. And now we will, since this is a question of binary search tree, binary search is coming. That's why we have to first calculate the mid. This is the formula that we have earlier studied in our binary search. Okay, so we have calculated the mid, and then we made the new root node of this return type, tree node star root equals to this new keyword dynamically created tree node inside which we passed the nums of mid. It means we are running the mid pointer in this array we are running, and finding the finding the mid by this formula. Okay, by putting this start and end. First we put it start at the extreme left side and end at the extreme right side. Then we've calculated this mid, and by this mid we have calculated the value of the nums at the mid index, which was our root. Then we will, after creating the root, and if you are not sure, I will tell you, root node is not always the topmost node. It will be the any current node at which we are standing at each iteration. Okay, so after building or creating the root node, we will call the function, this function recursively for our root left. This function call is to create the left subtree part. We passed for left part. Our start is this and is mid -1 for left part. ठीक है? And root का right. This is the call to build or to create the right subtree. Okay. The right part is from mid +1 to end, and then at the end we have returned the root. Means we are forming the branch wise connection. At the end we will form the connection. Till this stage we were creating only nodes, and by this we are joining them via branches or edges.